How to stop hair loss and things to avoid if you're experiencing hair loss. If we are really concerned about our locks, the following are some common mistakes we should avoid as first priorities. Say no to hairsprays. Sprays containing keratin particles are available in the market. The keratin particles in these sprays are basically hair-building fibers that provide instant thickness to the hair. Although such products claim to provide a natural look, they create a very unnatural appearance and draw attention towards the thinning hair. Moreover, these products badly affect scalp health, so it's better to avoid them. Don't get hair pieces. Most hair pieces available are not made from natural human hair. Unless you get a wig set from a hair expert in a fine quality salon, it doesn't look natural. All you do is pay thousands and get nothing worthy enough in return. However, customized hair wigs can be a better solution. Get rid of those ugly extensions. Hair extensions are not the solution to your hair loss problems. In fact, these extensions can make the situation worse. Your hair and scalp are sensitive and are not able to carry much weight. When you wear extensions, the weight of the extensions pulls on your hair. This constant hair pulling can lead to a severe hair condition named traction alopecia. So, it is recommended not to invest in such kind of hairstyling as a permanent solution. Don't go after hair plugs. Hair restoration surgeries are proven to be quite dangerous for your overall scalp and hair health. They can cause bleeding, infections, scars and whatnot. Most of the time, these surgeries don't yield the desired results. Moreover, hair plugs are an outdated form of hair transplant surgery. It's better not to go for this option. Avoid getting ugly hairstyles. Comb-overs are quite common in people with hair loss. But to be honest, it is a really bad idea. This is because you can't keep your hair in place all the time, and this draws more attention towards your hair loss. Similarly, growing hair long from the back or some other part will only highlight the patches where you've got less amounts of hair. You can't wear hats all the time. Hats or scarves are no doubt a good option, but you can't wear them every time you go somewhere. In fact, wearing things on your mane all the time can affect its health. Instead of going after ineffective and unyielding options, go for some other healthy and natural alternatives. It is important to treat the underlying cause of hair loss or hair thinning first. Try using products made from natural ingredients. Improve your diet and overall lifestyle. Moreover, you can also take healthy hair vitamins that could help your hair grow in a much healthier manner. Helen Greek is a well-known writer in the hair care, skin care industry. She is famous for authoring authentic and in-depth articles for e-commerce organizations. Her inclination towards the cosmetics, hair vitamins and skin care products makes her exceptionally suitable and deserving for writing useful, informative articles about hair loss remedies.